Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video on the crypto markets. All right, it's going to be an important update. It's also going to be an interesting update because the price action right now is actually quite interesting, I think, at least. But yeah, what we'll do is we'll do a full overview of the markets right now. Bitcoin earlier today was still quite bearish, but now since the US has opened, finally and luckily we have actually seen some bullish momentum come in, and not only for Bitcoin, which as you can see, Bitcoin is trying to reclaim that level we talked about in the morning at 96,300, which is crucial, but the Bitcoin dominance is also moving up slightly here, which is great as well. So it's looking a bit better. So I just wanted to talk about that, wanted to talk about the different possibilities here. And then also just cover some altcoins, cover XRP. I think XRP is very interesting right now. We'll have a brief look at Dogecoin as well. But the big question right now is, well, is this the bottom? All right, Bitcoin at its lowest point on Coinbase dropped down to 92,000. It seems to be a bit of a spike, but you can see this is part of a bigger support level right here between 92 and 95,000. What I said this morning is that it looked most likely that we would still drop down lower. But what we're essentially doing, and that is still what we are doing right now, is we're trying to find a bottom. And the main thing I think we need to do is we need to break above this level right here at 96,400, where you have a POC cluster and where you have the monthly opening and the 200 EMA and the 0.236 FIB. So a lot of confluences there. We need to break above that. All right. So not only do we need to break above that, we also need to find, we need to stay above that. We need to find balance there. If we can do that, so that's is probably happening in the next 20 minutes, or not, depends on if we close above that, then I do think this is the bottom. And I'm not going to tell you we're going to pump straight away, but then I do think we can actually consolidate here in this area on top of 92,000. So that's the most crucial thing for Bitcoin right now. At the moment, if we look at the fundamentals, it looks quite promising. The S&P 500 has actually, after the pre-market, went down a bit with Europe selling. Pre-market, we have actually pumped and we have actually filled the gap. So that's nice, and you can see that across the board. All of the stock markets are pumping. The dollar strength index has found some resistance here, and then at the same point of time, USDT dominance has also turned slightly bearish. And what more did I want to take a look at? I'm not sure, but the Coinbase Bitcoin premium. Coinbase Bitcoin premium, for as far as we can see, is still at a discount, but the discount is decreasing, right? So all the fundamentals look better. Now it is up to the price to actually find some balance here on top of this level at 96,000. If we cannot do that, all right, so if we cannot hold above 96,000, there is still the possibility that we'll drop down to this level here at 89 and 87,000. Be aware of that, all right? Be ready for that as well. But for now, it seems most likely that we will be able to break above that, so it seems most likely that the bottom is in and that we can actually consolidate. So that's great. But I would still be a bit cautious, right? And then when we look at some altcoins here, to start off with XRP and Dogecoin. Dogecoin, kind of same as Bitcoin, has found some strong support here. Needs to still get some sort of a reclaim on top of 30 cents to actually confirm that this is a local bottom at least. And then when we look at XRP, I think XRP is one of the most interesting coins here, because if it's actually like we bounced down to $2, which we talked about in the video this morning as well. But the support from there is absolutely massive. A lot of shorts have actually been closed as well, so that's actually pretty good. And I think if XRP is actually able to get some sort of a candle close here within this area, so on top of, let's say, 2.25, we're back in this range right here, and then with XRP, basically nothing has changed compared to the last 2 weeks. So that's obviously super bullish, but that's also same thing as with Bitcoin. We need to get some confirmation for that, and then we can confirm that we're back in this range. For now, it's too early. For now, we have not broken back into it. And then other altcoins. I mean, most of the altcoins right now, as you can see right here, are actually quite correlated, which is not amazing. There's some altcoins that are outperforming, like Horizon or Zen, Mocha, cow swap as well. That's doing pretty well actually, as you can see. Now this is comp. Wow. Cow doing pretty good. Outside of that, also Move is doing some quite interesting things. I think that's also a coin to keep your eyes on. So there are actually opportunities again in the markets today. So that's great to see. But like I said, I'd wait for Bitcoin to find a little bit of balance here before jumping on these riskier leverage plays. But those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know regarding the markets right now, regarding some altcoins and just in general what's going on. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.